Hey there, VCE HHD students. My name is Andy. I'm a VC Health and Human Development teacher. In this short video, we're looking at 5 common mistakes to avoid in the VCE HHD exam. Number 3, this is relevant for Unit 3 and 4 HHD for the 2025 plus HHD study zone. Before we dive into this video, just a reminder, there's a range of ways you can engage with the Health Resources Hub. If you're on our YouTube channel at the moment, you can subscribe with the button in the bottom corner of the video there. That means you'll get alerts to all of our new videos as they come out across the year, especially in the lead up to the HHD exam this year. We've also got our website, hrh.net.au, where there's lots of opportunities for HHD students and teachers, and that's had some new things added to it recently. So if you haven't had a look, please check that out. We've also got our Instagram, TikTok, and Facebook pages where you can follow us and get alerts to our new videos and other opportunities, and also our email info@hrh.net.au if you'd like to get in touch. Before we dive into this video, just a reminder, if you're a Unit 3 and 4 student and you're after some course notes and practice questions for your exam preparation this year, these are available via our website, and it's basically same-day access. So you can head across there and you'll see there is a student drop-down, and you can head to the course notes section and fill in this form and we'll be in touch. These course notes cover all of the different areas of study across Unit 3 and 4 to make sure across the correct glossary terms and the key concepts for the exam this year. There's also easy, medium, and hard practice questions for all areas of study with sample answers to help as part of your exam preparation. So that's all on our website. Okay, so this exam, mistake to avoid is forgetting to demonstrate the link between a factor and a health condition. So as a student, you can expect to have to make links between factors, and health conditions. And those factors cover Unit 3 and Unit 4. So in Unit 3, Area Study 1, there's things such as smoking and vaping, alcohol, overweight and obesity, and nutritional imbalance, as well as all the different factors relevant to the population group. So biological, sociocultural, which includes commercial factors, and also environmental factors. Then in Unit 4, there's the factors, things like sanitation, poverty, discrimination, and access to safe water. And so what you might be asked to do is link those to health conditions on the way to making a link to either health status, and in Unit 4, perhaps human development as well. And so what many students do is they state that a risk or a factor leads to a health condition without briefly demonstrating how. So you need to make sure you've got a connecting point between the factor and the health condition. And so this is most common in relation to questions that reference health status, but potentially you might want to link to a health condition also if in Unit 4 you're linking a factor onto human development, but most of the time it'll be more relevant to health status. So let's have an example so that we can make this clear. So here you can see the sample question: how could smoking and vaping impact on Australia's health status, for 2 marks? And so you can see here a sample without a link from smoking and vaping to the health condition might say something like smoking and vaping leads to increased prevalence of lung cancer in Australia. Now, although that might be true, you haven't demonstrated your understanding, what you've learned about how smoking and vaping contributes to lung cancer. So the better alternative underneath says when Australians take part in smoking and vaping, chemicals from these products enter the bloodstream. This can contribute to DNA mutations that cause cell mutations. These cell mutations can result in cancerous tumors in places such as lungs, and that can increase the incidence of lung cancer in Australia. So you can see there, a stronger link between that particular factor and a health condition. So you need to make sure that you go back and you practice for all of those different factors, linking them into health conditions with some kind of connecting link instead of just saying, one equals the other without some kind of connection, because that will really strengthen your answers and help you in questions like this to ensure you're more likely to attain full marks. Okay, hopefully you found that useful. If you're after lots of practice questions in the lead up to the exam this year, you can also head to book.acevc.com and order a copy of this questions book. It's got over 500 marks worth of practice questions. It's also got a full trial exam with sample answers and a full chapter on extended response questions with sample extended response questions and answers. Or you can head to our website for those course notes and other practice questions. Okay, thanks so much.